Hi there, I'm John from CNCKing.com, and today what we'll do is transform pallet wood into the state of California. I'm not sure why, but pallet wood seems to have a bad rap, and it's actually a really nice material as long as you grab the right stuff. There's pallet wood that you don't want to touch because it's got arsenic and a bunch of other really nasty chemicals in it. But this here came off one of our machines, and it's just regular pine. And I stepped on it, as you can see. So what I decided to do with it, instead of chucking it out like what everybody else does with their pallet wood, there was a little spot here that was actually pretty good. This is a write-off just because it's got splits and knots and stuff. So what I did is I just did an outline of the state of California, and I put my logo over here, as you can see. And I wasn't sure what to fill it up with, so I just put a whole bunch of random circles of different sizes, just to make something a little bit more interesting than just something like this, which would be kind of boring. So what we'll do now, we'll take a look at my industrial laser making this. What I really like about pallet wood is that it's such an easy material to work with. Literally, I took this off the floor after stepping on it, and I put it in the machine. And that was after I did my design, of course. I cut out the outline, engraved the circles, and I was done. The only difference I did here to here was that I sanded it. So as you can tell, the back and the front. So it's really nice. And if you wanted to get an idea of the precision that I get with my machine, I'll put it back inside the hole that it came from. And you can see literally not even maybe 1 millimeter over the entire outline was vaporized. And you can see as well how different it looks just with the quick sanding. You know, here's the back side of it, as you can see. So there's an infinite amount of design possibilities with pallet wood or any material for that matter. But the nice thing about pallet wood is that people can't get rid of it fast enough. You go to any industrial zone and they got piles of this stuff, and it's really good wood. Don't grab the blue stuff, grab the stuff that isn't finished at all or pressurized or anything like that. And we make a lot of projects out of pallet wood. So contact me at CNCROI.com with your design ideas, and we can go right into production with any kind of product you want to make out of pallet wood or anything else.